Christmas caroling in Germany versus in the Philippines.
Okay, Germany versus Philippines sa pagkakabili. Nice. Okay, nice. Ito ang Germany. Wala na. Full choreography.
Merry, 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 Merry Christmas! Gigi, 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 jingle bell, hey! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Always fun.
All out.
Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Always fun. And the riders always stay. Dashing through the snow.
Iba talaga. Iba talaga ang Pasko dito sa Pilipinas. Marami nagsasabi, miski yung mga kamag-anak ko sa Amerika. Iba daw yung Pasko ng Pinoy.
Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Always fun. It's your ride and one is something there. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Galing, galing. Galing.
It's your ride and one noise open sleigh.
Galing, nag-split pa. Anyway, siya, totoo po talaga yon. May mga foreigner friends po tayo and of course yung mga family natin nasa ibang bansa. Yes, they enjoy yung Christmas dito sa Pilipinas. Iba daw talaga. Yan, yung napaka-hospitable ng mga Pilipino, napakasayahin and of course, yung saya ng Christmas ng Pinoy. Yan. At even though yung mga kamag-anak ko na sa Amerika na nagse-celebrate ng Christmas po, yan, pag nag-i-invite sila ng mga foreign friends, gusto nilang ma-invite talaga. Kasi iba daw yung enjoyment ng Paskong Pinoy. Yan, o yung mga Pinoy nasa Amerika. Yan, yung family bonding kasi. So, that's it po. Thank you very much for watching. Yan, peace and one love. Saya!